Presenting the 1997 Acura CL. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include hydraulic engine mounts, side intrusion hip shoulder pads, adjustable front headrests, 17.2-gallon fuel tank, side impact door beams, remote keyless entry system, instrumentation INC, speedometer, 2.2 LSOHCP GM FI 16-valve 4-cylinder VTEC engine, and variable PWR-assisted rotary valve rack and pinion steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.